So let's have a look at some data. On the right here, we can see what this world looks like from the top down, and we can zoom in to see any point on the map in really, really high resolution. Pretty amazing stuff. We can also have a look at different perspectives of this data by looking at something like the elevation, where here, red is high up and blue is low down. We can even view the 3D model of what the site looked like at the time. From here, we can zoom out, we can scroll around, and we can pan across this 3D model. When we're looking at our maps, we can also have a look at some annotations. So here we've got a couple of examples, like this marker over here, which is showing us a whole host of different pictures. This is a volume annotation that's helping us understand and measure what the volume is of this stockpile. And this line over here is telling us exactly what the slope and the grade is of this certain area, as well as things like the distance and the surface length. If we want to, we can add additional annotations that way. We can even add overlays and check our site plans on top of our data, or view each of the individual images. And if you want to, we can certainly share this data with our friends and export it so that we can use it in third-party applications.